Hi everyone, this is SheShe. I'm coming on to share with you some dies from Aliexpress. It's a store called Kscraft Lover Store. So I have these children gingerbreads. What I'm going to share with you is a family of gingerbread men or little girls. They're really adorable. They have all kinds of combinations with dresses, shorts, pants, scarf. There's a baker's hat. You can even make bow ties and little hollies and leaves, and then there's different faces that you can use on these gingerbreads. So I'm going to show you what it looks like as the small gingerbreads. So I have them in different looks and different expressions. So here's how she looks. You can have it plain, little baker's hat for the little boy, and then you can have, like, if you angle the face a certain way, you can have them looking up, looking from the side. It's all up to you. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so those are the kids. The kids will also fit on the small tag set. It has a loaf of bread, I believe. So the tag comes with this die, as well as a layering piece for the lace, and then the loaf of bread, which it comes with the pan and the loaf of bread. So I hope you can see that. Now there is a little baby, and as you can see in comparison that the baby is smaller. And so I'll show you what the little baby looks like. It also has a pacifier and a diaper. So this is the little baby. Has a bow. You can make it a boy or a girl. Here's the face for the boy. And here's the little pacifier. I didn't glue it on, but this is how she looks with the little pacifier. And then she has a little piece of curly hair. So I just put the bow right there. So I thought that was really adorable to go with the gingerbread family. Now that you've seen the kids and all their different expressions, because I have a lot of gingerbreads that I've been making. And then here's the tag set that goes with the little kids. I'm going to set that to the side. Now I'm going to show you the mom and dad. I made some extra gingerbreads for other stuff, so I'll be making a bunch of gingerbread projects. Okay, with the mom and dad, they have different looks. Here's one with the hat and a tie, scarf. And then this one is really cute. I have her looking at a glance, and she has her little bowl, which I'll share with you the bowl set. This is where the bowl came from, and it has all these little pieces that you can design the bowl. There's also another gingerbread person, so I will share with you that set in a moment. Here is the mom and dad set. It has basically the same thing, the ties, the bows, the scarf and hats, faces, flowers, little buttons or collars for the lace. There's a hat, all these little things for the gingerbread family. So again, this is how it's looking so far. There's so many different looks with these gingerbread people. So that's how mine turned out. You can link them together if you want with a string. But I plan to put mine in like little recipe cookbooks and the recipe cards they have. So I'll be doing a lot of decorating. Okay, then we have this little gingerbread, and it can look really different. So what I did was I made them, but with the little holes I put some Nouveau crystal drops in red to make it sparkle. So I have tons of those made to do different things with. So I'll share with you all of them and how they look. Really, really cute. Then again, you can make a string of gingerbreads or just put them on projects. But I thought I'd share with you how that looks. I showed you a small tag. There is a tag for the mom and dad, and this will fit the mom and dad, as you can see. I didn't get a chance to cut it out because I cut the smaller one out, but they pair together with the children and the mom and dad. So I have more gingerbread theme items. This is a gingerbread border. Hopefully you can see that. And then here's the border right here and how it looks. So that you can have gingerbread theme items. Just go gingerbread crazy. So that's really neat. Again, with the tag set, you get the lace layering piece. There are some additional pieces. Here is the loaf of bread. That's just like the other one, but this one has the words menu and recipe to go on your tags. So that's what's different about it. And again, it comes with this layering piece right here that fits the adult gingerbread people. Okay, have all that done. So now I'm going to move on to some other items that were really sweet. These are donuts. They layer. Be really careful when you break them apart because they're really close together and they're hard to break apart, and you can kind of bend them, which I sort of bent it, but I think once I roll it through my die cutting machine, it will straighten itself out. It was a little close and tight in there to get it to pry apart. Now with the smaller one, they did make two separate dies for the layering pieces of the donuts. So I thought that was really nice. And then there is a baked with love sentiment, and I'll show you what that goes with. It's a bowl. I'll set this aside and share with you once that pops up. Next is this ornament. It has little hearts, so you can use this for your Christmas tree ornaments. You can make it into a shaker. You can put it on cards this year. Really, really sweet. Wasn't able to cut out everything, but I will be back with project shares. Okay, next is this layering bow. There's a small and a large. You buy them separately, but they're really nice. Hopefully you can see there's stitching going around everything. So it's going to look really cute layered with different colors or the same color. It's all up to you. The little whisk that I use for my gingerbread girl came from this set. This is a memory dex or a recipe card. It's up to you what you want to call it, but it pairs with this stamp set where you can write out your recipes on a smaller version. And then there's also electric mixers, the handheld kind. And these are sold separately than this set. But these are little paper clips that you can clip onto your recipe cards, and then these pieces layer up with the different paper clips. So I thought that was adorable. So this goes together. This is different. It doesn't come with the set, but I'll link them all in the description box below. Now if you want a larger recipe card, there's a 4x6, and there's also little utensils that you can pair with the gingerbread people or do a big recipe book. This is a little cutting board, and these are little tabs that you can stamp different or handwrite like your menu items and appetizers and so on. So that's perfect place to stamp. So that goes with this. Okay, now here comes the mixing bowl that the Bake with Love pairs with. It goes with that. And then this matches up with this part right here. And you just make it into a shaker if you want. And here's the layering piece. And I think these are little cookies. Sugar cookies, which is really cute. Okay, next is one of these dies that are bag toppers in the shape of a star. There's also star theme items in the shop that you can coordinate it with. This is from a rectangle set with a star border. So I will link that below, but I just cut it out and this is how it looks once it's cut out for your treat bag toppers. So you can just buy this separately. Alright. Okay, next is this adorable, ugly sweater set, but it's really cute. So it's cute. It's ugly, but it's cute. So it's supposed to be an ugly sweater, but it's not that ugly. It has many elements to make it into so many different details and so many different looks. You can even make it into a shaker sweater. But there's candy canes, trees, presents, and then there's a little gingerbread person. I'm not sure if this is the same size as that baby that I shared, but it will go on the little ugly sweater set. It has a hanger, a sleigh, bell, more elements to accent it in different looks. So this is a really large set that makes so many different sweaters. So really cute. Okay, I'm going to set this up here. Alright, next is the teacups. And you can stack them and stamp different things on them, make different designs. So that looks really fun. Okay, this one is a really neat set. This is a cookie cutter set that you can layer and make it very detailed like sugar cookies. It comes with the cookie sheet and a gingerbread house and little elements to decorate the gingerbread house. You can go to the website and check out more ideas and inspiration. There's a little bow for the gingerbread person that you can layer, and the hat goes with the snowman as well as the scarf, and so you can figure it out. These are the little cream that goes with the mug. So yeah, it's a really neat set to have. Okay, next I have this book layering die. I didn't get a chance to cut it out, but look how fancy this is. It's so cute. There's like some elements they put in the center where you can do a surprise, where you can rip something open or make it into a sentiment, I think. But this is how it looks. There's two different layers of books. So you can do this one first and then these in the center, and then there's some bows. So really neat. Can't wait to play with that one and make a really pretty open book. Okay, more cooking theme items. This is some type of timer, like a chicken timer for your food. And then this is a candy jar that you can also make into a shaker. This is the little top that goes on the inside, and these are the little candy peppermints that you can put on the inside to decorate it. So really cool there. Again, I'll be back with project share so you can see how they look. Next is this set of flowers. I believe they're sold separately, but they'll make pretty flowers and embellishments on your cards to accent them and make them look different. So I just thought I'd share with you that. Then there is this Christmas tag, and there's hollies and berries on there. So that's really neat. Next, we have some stamps that I didn't get a chance to cut out, but here are the stamps, and it comes with a little heart tag, and you just stamp whatever sentiment you wish or a face into the heart. Here's some more small tags and little sentiments that go perfectly inside the little tags. And then there's one more heart tag set with the little die that matches with all these different sentiments that go in the center. I really like the size. So I hope you enjoyed everything I shared and you got some inspiration from what I could cut out, but I will be back with more project shares. So stay tuned for another video coming up very soon. Thanks for joining me. Again, links are in the description box below. Have a fabulous day.